scared. I'm so scared. Where is it? Where is the bird? Where is it, Vicky? Vicky, I'm so scared. I don't want to go in. I'm so scared. Oh my god, guys. It's there. I saw the beak. I saw the beak. Then I saw the beak. No, I just saw the beak, guys. Guys, I'm so scared. It's my friend and we're gonna get attacked. Guys, so basically, I was like downstairs going to get my jacket, and then I saw a bird coming down, and I was like, what the heck? And I went downstairs and I saw if it's fake or not, and it was real. And then I touched, oh my god, it literally bit me. And I was telling my brother, it's a bird. It said it's a bond. So he went upstairs and he saw it, and he started crying. And like my uncle, oh my god, guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's downstairs or upstairs. So I'm going to try to call my mom or like my grandma. She's downstairs, but I cannot go downstairs. You don't know my problem with birds. You don't know my problem with birds. I can't believe this is happening. Call her. Yeah, so I'm going to call her. I don't know what I should do if I stay the vlog, but guys. Vicky! I'll show you guys where the bird is. Vicky! Vicky! I don't know what to do. Why are they not even answering it? Vicky! Stop! It's getting a head attack. Stop yelling. I don't know what to do. Like right now, there's a bird in our freaking house, and then I know they're not answering my call. Vicky! Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna have to pause. I have to stop the video or something. I don't really know what to do. I'm so scared. Oh my god, of the bird. Stay here. We're gonna try to go downstairs. No. So where are you gonna go? You're gonna go get that? We're gonna like tap on the door and see if it taps back. Oh my god, if it taps back, I'm dead. Thank God my hand was like a balcony, but I can't at the door because she knew that something crazy will happen. So she just put the balcony in, but she has the door for the balcony. So I'm gonna break the window and I'll end up on the balcony. Best thing I can do, I don't know what to do. What would you do if a bird was in your house? Are they friendly? Well, I thought that, but now they're not. If my mom comes here and sees that bird. Oh, dang, he's gonna be that. No. She's gonna faint. Did she even tell you the story of how she's pretty much scared? Me and her have a lot in common because we're like terrified of birds. Me too. Yeah, little. We don't know at all about you, so let me talk. No, but no, we don't like. I don't know. It's like learning scared of birds. I don't know yet. But we just know that we're terrified. So I'm just gonna tie my hair and go there. But I need to get a weapon. I need to find a weapon, guys. I'm gonna go find a weapon. I'm not gonna go through it and shoot him. Oh my god, guys, we're gonna find a weapon. I'm gonna tie my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna get a weapon. And hopefully we don't die. Oh my god, I tie my hair.